Well, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily block spam calls on your Android phone. Now, if you do have like a Samsung or something like that, just download and get Phone by Google LLC. So I have a Google Pixel. This came standard with it, but we can just go to the Google Play Store right here, open this up, and then we can go on over to search. So let's go to search and type in phone, and we can get Phone by Google. Right here, get this application and open it up. So I have a Samsung phone. It came with the Samsung apps. We can just switch it over to Phone by Google. But the reason why you want to get this is because it has a lot of spam protection and scam calls on it. So let's open this up right now and hopefully, let's see. Let's go to home now. And you can see this spam call right here was automatically just denied. I didn't even have to answer the phone or look at my screen. It was just automatically denied. So let's go to the top left now and go to settings right here. Click this. And you can see all these different caller ID and spam options now, scam detection, direct my call, etc. So let's go to where it says caller ID and spam. And we can just turn this on. See caller ID and spam ID, identify businesses and spam numbers. Turn that on. We can go back. We can go to scam detection right here. Scam detection alerts you during a call if likely is a scam. Okay. I don't know if it's like monitoring your calls or something like that. Okay. Then we can go to hold for me, direct my call, call screen, call recording. If you do want to record your calls right here, you have that option. Well, let's go on down. There's a few more options for spam that are very useful under here. So let's go to the next one now. And this one is going to be called call screen. We can go to this, and it has automatic call screen, screen unknown numbers, and decline spam. So we can just go to maximum protection right here. And if we go to medium protection, screen suspicious calls and decline spam. So I might just want to put that because sometimes people are calling from unknown numbers for some reason. Or we can just decline only known spam calls, basic protection. Then we can go to save call screen audio, save the audio from calls answered by the call screen. So call screen is pretty much going to, answer the phone, and if it's spam, it's going to record it. And then I have automatically delete older messages right there. So just go ahead and look at these different options. It'll automatically decline your spam messages. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.